Hey everyone, if your Autotune on BandLab isn't working or doesn't sound right, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step so your vocals and sound clean and professional. First of all, open the BandLab application and make sure your device is connected to the internet. First of all, create a project. Click the plus icon at the video and you can import file or voice audio. I will import the file from the gallery. After you have imported the file, it will automatically create a track. Now select the track and open the effects. Click on effects so you can add the effects from the BandLab studio. Now open your vocal track and tap on the effects. After you have done that, adjust the dial from subtle to firm full correction depending on how much effect you want. If it's set to 0, it won't do anything. First of all, select the effect what you want and go to the auto pitch. As you can see here it is turned off, so you can turn it on like this and pitch the current intensity, or if you want hip hop style or anything you can change it from here. Also you can keep at chromatic or major or minor, whatever you want. After you have done the setting that you have done, now set the right key. Next, make sure your project key matches your song. Tap the three dot on the top right, go to the project setting and set the key and scale. If the wrong key is selected, Autotune won't lock your vocals to the right notes and it will sound off. And another step is to check input quality. Bad mic input can also make your Autotune glitch. Try recording in a quiet space and adjust your input gain. And that's it, how you fix Autotune in BandLab. Set auto pitch, pick the right key and clean up your input. If this helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.